Today we're practicing number line addition. Addition is that plus sign. That means our numbers are going to get bigger. So we are going to jump forward today. Sound good? Let's get started. 2 plus 4. Let's jump forward 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We land on the number 6. Nice job. 2 plus 2. 1, 2. We land on what number? That's right, 4. 1 plus 4. We're jumping forward 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We land on the number 5. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 4 plus 3. Jumping forward 3. 1, 2, 3. What number did we land on? 7. 3 plus 2. We're starting at 3, jumping forward 2. We land on what number? 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 5 plus 5. We're jumping forward 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We land on what number? That's right, we land on 10. Great job.